Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Reason for the Season Challenge, and that's hosted by Creating It Myself. So what I'm going to be doing is linking the host down below with the channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and head on over there. Full watch the video, subscribe to the channel, and head on over to that playlist so that you can get some ideas for some spiritual Christmas DIYs for the holiday season. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create these crafts will be listed in the description box below. So now let's jump into the video. So now in project number 1, I decided to use this plank that I bought from the Dollar Tree. And what we're doing now is we're painting the whole front side of this and the sides in pink. After we get that plank done, then I found that Let It Snow, a little sign that you can also purchase at the Dollar Tree in a multi-pack, and that I'm painting in pink also. I'm also going to be sprinkling some gold glitter on that, and now we're moving on to the ribbon. This ribbon here I purchased at the Dollar General, and we're going to be making a bow. So after the bow was made, I decided to place a sticker on the very center of that bow. Now these stickers here I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and they are absolutely beautiful. So we're going to be embellishing mostly with these stickers. So now what I did is I grabbed the Let It Snow sign, and now we're hot gluing it and placing it on the corner of that plank. So the Dollar Tree's carrying these beautiful border stickers, and I just happened to find these in the pink. So we're going to go around the whole border of that plank using these border stickers. So now in my stash, I found some scripture stickers that I also purchased at Dollar Tree, and we're going to place one of those in the very center of this plank. So once that sticker is down, we're going to go back to the other stickers, which are absolutely beautiful, to embellish the rest of the plank. And that's what I'm doing here. So now it's time to glue that beautiful bow onto the corner of that plank and then place a hanger on it. And we are pretty much done with project number 1. So now we're moving on to project number 2, the peace sign. And then we're going to use one of these wooden ornaments that come from the Dollar Tree in the Christmas tree shape. So that's what we're using here. So we're going to be painting this peace sign with this beautiful barn red. It almost looks like a wine color. We're going to do that whole thing, and I'll be right back with you. So I think this is a very beautiful color. I'm absolutely loving this color. We are done with the peace sign, so now we're going to color the Christmas tree in the pink. Okay, so I'm using some of the stickers to embellish the tree. And then I'm placing a little pom-pom at the very top where the star is. And we are done with this part of the project. Let's move on to the next step. So I love the color of this green ribbon. I found it in my stash and I thought this would be perfect for making a bow for the peace sign. So that's what I'm doing here. Didn't this come out absolutely beautiful? We're going to glue that puffy part of the bow onto the tails. And then right next to that, I found some florals, a hot bush in that green color also, which is the perfect match for this bow. So we're going to be cutting off 2 of those flowers to place in the center of that bow. And this, it came out so beautiful. Before attaching the bow, I think a little pom-pom on the top of that Christmas tree would be perfect. So let's attach the bow now. So now it's time to attach those florals to the middle of that bow. This, like I said, came out so beautiful. So the hanger is already on the peace sign. Now we're attaching the Christmas tree, and this project is almost done, and it came out absolutely beautiful. Now it's time to move on to the next project. Now for this project, we're making a candy cane wreath. And that ribbon there, I did purchase that. I believe I got that at Dollar General. And it is a beautiful, beautiful color. And we are going to be adding a believe sign. And that also came in a multi-pack that I purchased at the Dollar Tree along with the candy cane wreath form. So just to let you know, I ran out of the ribbon as I went, got a little bit close to halfway done wrapping that around, and then I had to switch over to a different color ribbon. And it worked out perfectly, and I can't wait for you to see the results. So here we're switching over to that wine color ribbon, and I believe I purchased that at Dollar General. But we are also making a bow with it, so this is going to work out absolutely beautiful. And then we have to color that little believe sign that we're going to attach to the wreath. This came out absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait for you to see the end result. I'm just folding the ribbon here just to make that bow. And I also found some champagne color holly berries to place in the center of that bow, and voila, we have a beautiful looking Christmas bow. Now it's time to add the believe sign, and don't forget we had to add a pom-pom to the end of the hat on that sign. We're going to place that right there. Then we're going to flip this over and add a hanger to it, and we are done with this project. Okay, hanger's already on. Let me flip this over and show you how beautiful this came out. I'm absolutely loving the colors and the blend of the two colors on the wreath form. This was an absolutely beautiful idea. So I hope you enjoyed the project. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.